Exercise 5.4. So we will discuss today all the prime numbers between 30 and 50. The prime numbers, what are the prime numbers? Which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. What numbers are between 30 and 50? That is 31. 32 is not prime as it is a composite number. 33 is not prime. 34 is not prime. 35 is not prime. You can write 37. You have to find out the numbers between 30 and 50 which are prime and which are not prime. The numbers are 31, 37, 41, 43, 47 and 49 which have only the factors 1 and the number itself. Forty-seventh. All the second question, all composite numbers between 1 and 20. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. I will discuss it with the numbers which have more than two factors that are composite. That numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18. What are the twin prime numbers? I have discussed pair of two prime numbers which have 2 as their difference. Twin prime numbers are a pair of two prime numbers which have 2 as their difference. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2 ਦਾ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ that are twin prime. 41 and 43. We have to find the numbers between 40 and 80. That numbers are 41, 43, 59, 61 and 71, 73. Next, question number 4. Check whether the numbers are prime or co-prime. Prime numbers are which have only two factors, 1 and number itself, and co-prime numbers are a pair of numbers, common factor of which is 1. That is, co-prime numbers are a pair of numbers which numbers the common factor of which is 1. ਉਹ ਦੋ ਨੰਬਰਸ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਾਮਨ ਫੈਕਟਰ ਸਿਰਫ 1 ਹੁੰਦਾ that are called composite numbers. So 405. These are composite. 103, this is your prime number. 111, it is composite because of it has more than two factors. 405 is the composite. 103 is the prime, factors are 1 and 4 and 103. 111 the factors 1, 3, 37, and 600, that is composite number. More than factors 1, 5, 9, 1, 3, 5, 9, that are more than factors, so it is composite. 600 which have factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are more than factors, so it is composite. Check question number 5, whether the numbers are co-prime. Question number 5, whether the numbers, check whether the pair of numbers are co-prime numbers. Our definition is co-prime numbers are a pair of numbers, the common factor of which is 1. Which numbers have only 1 is the common factor. So these are co-prime numbers. 1556 or 122. 1556 ਦੇ ਤੇ 122 ਦੇ ਫੈਕਟਰਸ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ these are co-prime or not. The number which has only common factor is 1. I can do it fifth question A part 1556 or 122. Make the factors 2 7 14 to 7 14 to 8 2 3 6 to 8 16 to 9. The factors of 121 to 61. Here the factors is 1, 2 and 61. Here factors of 1556 is more than factors 1, 2, you can say 389. Common factor is not 1. Common factors is not 1, you can say. Common factors are more than 2. Not only common factors 1 and 2. Not common factors is not only 1. So it is not prime, not co-prime number. If we take 107 and 125, 107 factors are 1 and 107, 125, 1, 5, 25, 125, common factor is 1, so it is co-prime number. Next part you can do it yourself. See the question number 6, factor tree 128, 8, 16, 128, 8 to 4, here 4, 2 to 4, 4, 2 to 4, this will be your factor tree. Now second part, factor tree 280, 10 and 28, 10 to 5, factors of 28, 2 and 14, factors of 14, 2 and 7. These are the factors. Now see your next question, 7 sum, D part, factor tree method, 1, 7 to 8. Make the factors, divide it by 2, 2 and 8 64, again divide it by 2, 2 and 4 32, again factors of 2, 2 and 216, factors of 432 is 2 and 216, again 2 and 108, 108, 2 and 54, again we can write 6 and 9, 2 and 3 and 3 and 3. So these 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, these are the factors. This is your factor tree. Now the next question, division method, factorization by division method. 225 at the table of 3, you can make the factors 3 7 21, 1 left, 1 5 become 15, 3 5 15, again at 3, 3 2 6, 1 5 15, 3 5 15, again at 5 5 5 25, 5 1s 5, 101, 1 and 101. So factors of 225 are 3 3 5 5, factors of 101 are 1 and 101. Other parts you will try it yourself, A and B part you can do it yourself. So now see the mental math exercise. Largest 2-digit number is divisible by 6 is dash. Our largest 2-digit number is, as we know, largest 2-digit number is 99. Divide it by 6 and you can get the quotient is 16 and remainder is 3. From 99 you can subtract 3, the number is 96, which is divisible by 6. The number 96 which is divisible by 6. Twin prime number of 29 is 29, the twin prime number. Which is the twin prime ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स करे होंदे आ जिन्हां दे विच डिफरेंस 1 दा होए. I have discussed the definition of twin prime numbers which have 2 as their difference. Twin prime numbers are a pair of two prime numbers which have 2 as their difference. Our number is 29 and the next number is 31. 31 चो ਅਸੀਂ 29 ਨੂੰ subtract ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, but the difference is 2. So our twin prime number of 29 is 31. Number which is divisible by 10 will also be divisible by the number which is divisible by 10. In the rules of divisibility, we have to say the last digit is 0. Last digit of the number is 0. That number is divisible by 2 and 5. Digit at one's place is 0, so that number is divisible by 10. You can say it is divisible by 10. If will also be divisible by 2 and 5. I think all of you try to understand the exercise and you can do it. Thank you.